Everyone has a talent, ability, or skill that can be mastered to support them in order to succeed in life. There is a saying that goes, education doesn't guarantee employment, but a skill does. Learning a skill, which can also be considered as a side hustle, has become even more important because of the rate of unemployment in the country. Using Elizade University as case study, we are about to see the day in the life of a university student who is also a makeup artist. Makeup is an art in the beauty world that involves the transformation of a person's face or body with the use of tools and cosmetics.
My name is Oluleke-Oke, 300 level mass communication. I'm a makeup artist. I started makeup 2019. I started makeup because when I was much younger, my dad always say, as a human being, you should have a side hustle. And that is why I chose makeup. Makeup has actually changed my life in the sense that I've met a lot of people. I've had some connections with people through makeup. So I would say makeup changed my life in that aspect, because if I wasn't a makeup artist, maybe I wouldn't have met so much people. How I balance my makeup and my education, I feel like there is time for everything. So I have time for makeup, I also have time for my education. So that is not stressful, I guess. It's not a stress on my own part, because there's time for everything. Some of the challenges I face is having to get my makeup things from outside school. Is very stressful for me, in the sense that most of the people I get my things from, I mean the makeup product, don't run all this DHL, all these logistics. They prefer parts, sending it through public transport. And getting it from Akure to school is stressful, trust me, because all these drivers will start telling you to bring 3K, 4K, all in the name of, we are in those states, you get Akure to school, 4,000 naira. So I would say that's one of the challenges I face. The other challenge I face is having to get a client from outside school telling me she wants to do a makeup for an event. Wow. And I know I'm in school. Leaving school too for the work most times is normally very stressful. I like everything about makeup because it brings money. I mean, cool money. It brings money. Yeah, and I love everything about makeup, in the sense that makeup makes me meet new people, get plugs, because I could remember the last time I went to Lagos for a shoot, and the girl plugged me with one of her friends. That she's a senator's daughter. She plugged me to one of her friends, and connections from there. Makeup is sweet, because you get to meet a lot of people. You meet good people, you meet bad people, you meet sweet people and interesting people. You get. So I feel makeup is just something you should try. You should try and do, because you are going to have fun. You will have fun from it, to make money from it, to meet new people, you get connections from it. So my advice for people that want to start makeup is take risk, capital, and learn how to tolerate people. Learn how to tolerate people, because plenty people are mad out there. Learn how to tolerate people, and always practice. Practice make perfection. Always practice. So, and I wish you all the best.